Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a Shakuntala Devi's trick for finding the fifth root of a given number. And with using this trick, you'll be able to solve any of the fifth root by just 1 or 2 seconds, not more than that, right? But the case is true only when you are given a perfect uh, fifth power of a number. Otherwise, you won't be able to apply this trick. So you need to have a perfect fifth power of a integer, then only you will be able to apply this trick, right? So let's see. Okay, so let's see why it is called the root. Like you have seen a tree, is same as the case with the numbers. Roots of the tree are what? The starting point, or actually the base of the formation of tree from which the tree has actually started, right? So similarly, if you have to find the fifth root, for example, if you take the number 2, so 2 is multiplied 5 times to give you 32, right? So fifth root of 32 is 2. That means this 32 has actually started from the number 2. So that means 2 is the fifth root of 32. So that's why the name root only, because it has a starting point as the number 2. So similarly, the name root. Now I have made a table for you in which I have listed down the numbers from 1 to 10. I have taken out the fifth power of those numbers. Fifth power means I have multiplied that number 5 times, like 5 times multiplying 1 will give you 1, 5 times multiplying 2 will give you 32, 5 times multiplying 3 will give you 243, and similarly so on till 10. And I have written in the third column, I have written the last digits of the fifth powers of the numbers I got. So if I have got for 1, I have got the last digit as 1. For 2, I have got 32, so the last digit is 2. For 3, I have got 243. Again, the last digit in 243 is 3 only. In 4, I have got 1024, and obviously the last digit in this number is also 4. Similarly, I have listed down the last digits of the number, and you can see the last digits of the fifth power are same as the number you have taken in the beginning, right? So these are actually same when you calculate the fifth power of any number, right? Okay, so let's see the questions here. I have got a table for you as well so that you can see. The question says that you have to find the fifth root of 6436343, right? So how you're going to find this fifth root? First of all, let's see how many digit number you will get in your answer. So to get an idea of that, what you need to do is you have to make a 5 digit pair at the end of the number. That means end of the number is 36343. So this is one 5 digit pair, right? So beginning from the end of the number, you have to make a pair of 5 digits, right? So that is your that will give you a single ones place digit, right? And the leftover number will give you the tens place digit, right? So that means you have one pair, so you'll get the ones place number, one digit, and your leftover number has 2 digits, right? So up to 5 digits you will get a single digit only. Okay, so every 5 pair of numbers will give you one number. Simple. So every 5 pair of number will give you a one digit, right? So here you obviously can see you have one pair of 5, so that means you are going to get one digit from that pair and another digit from the leftover number, right? So that means you are going to get a 2 digit number in the answer. But what is the digits? What are the digits? Digits are actually you just have to write the last digits, that is 3, as it is at ones place. So 3 will come as it is at ones place. You can see. So answer you'll get 3 at ones place as it is. Last digit is same as the ones place, right? Now for the tens place, what you will do is you have the leftover number as 64 in the beginning, right? So you will see in the table that where does the 64 lies in the second column. That means in the fifth power. So in the fifth power, you will see that where is 64 lies. So 64 lies between 32 and 243. So that means you will get 64 in between these two numbers, right? And these two numbers, 32 and 243, corresponds to 2 and 3 respectively, right? So they correspond to numbers 2 and 3 respectively. So you have to choose between 2 and 3. So which number you will choose, 2 or 3? You will just have to take the smallest of both the numbers. That means if you have the choices 2 and 3, so you will choose 2 because 2 is the smaller number than 3. So that's why our answer will be 2, 3. That is 23, right? So 2 comes from the leftover number and 3 comes from the last digit as it is, right? Let's see another example. It is 45435424. So I will make a 5 pair at the end. So 5 pair is, and you will write the last digit as it is, that is 4. So I have written last digit at the ones place as 4 in 34, right? And you will discard this last 5 pair, right? And leftover number is 454. So you will see in the table again, where does this 454 lies in the second column? So 454 lies between 243 and 1024. So 243 corresponds to 3 and 1024 corresponds to 4. And smallest of both of them is 3. So that's why 34 is the answer, right? Another question, 91613282. So you will take 5 pair and you will write the last digit as it is 2 and you will discard this 5 pair, right? Your leftover number is 9161. 9161 lies between 7776 and 16807 and they corresponds to 6 and 7. So smallest of these is 6, so that's why 62. Is it okay? Next is 6240321 So last 5 pair is 21451 and your last digit is 1. So 1 as it is and you will discard this 5 pair and leftover number is 62403 in the starting. So this lies between 59049 and 100000. So they correspond to 9 and 10 and the smallest of them is 9, so it will be 91 answer, right? Next number is 44370533125. So you'll make a 5 pair and you will write the last digit as it is 5. So 5 in the ones place and leftover number is 44370. So you'll see where it lies in between 32768 and 59049. So these two numbers, fifth powers corresponds to 8 and 9 and smallest of them is 8. So it will be 8 at tens place. So your answer will be 85. So this is very easy, I think. And now I think you can do any of the fifth root in just 1 or 2 seconds, right? So I am going to share new or more tricks on square roots and cube roots. So please like, subscribe, and share if you really want to know the tricks and want to get the notifications of the further videos. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.